Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're exploring modern gypsum design ideas for every room. Gypsum ceilings are not only stylish but also a practical choice for enhancing your home's interior. Let's dive into some innovative ideas that will elevate your space without breaking the bank. 1. Living room elegance. One of the most popular trends is using recessed lighting within gypsum ceilings. This creates a soft, inviting glow perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing at home. 2. Geometric patterns for style. Simple geometric patterns are a modern favorite. They add depth and interest without overwhelming the space. Think squares or rectangles that draw the eye upward. 3. Cozy bedroom retreats. In the bedroom, soft diffused lighting embedded in the gypsum ceiling can create a calming atmosphere. This is perfect for winding down after a long day. 4. Stylish kitchen solutions. Gypsum ceilings in kitchens can be both stylish and practical. Use moisture-resistant gypsum boards to ensure durability while incorporating sleek designs that complement your kitchen decor. 5. Lighting enhancements. Pair your gypsum ceilings with strategic lighting like LED strip lights or pendant fixtures to enhance their beauty. This combination will create an inviting ambience in any room. We hope these modern gypsum design ideas inspire you to elevate your home's interior. Remember, simplicity and elegance are key when it comes to choosing your designs. Thank you for watching. Get ready to transform your space with these stunning modern gypsum design ideas.